can always see the name. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good, family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. Today we're actually gonna be covering Supreme Week 9 at this point. It's honestly kind of crazy because we're halfway down the year for Supreme Fall Winter 20, and low-key the season has been pretty good, bro. I have nothing to complain about. I feel like my success has been high. There's been a lot of banger items that have released, and I feel like there's still a lot more to come. Today we're actually gonna be seeing the Jacob & Co collaboration with Supreme. This is something that is kind of out of budget for me and for a lot of people, so I don't know how people are gonna react to it, but I think the collab is fire nonetheless. If you guys do end up enjoying, go ahead and slap a fat like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content, and click the post notification bell so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. Also, do not forget to click the Gleam link at the top of the description if you're trying to enter in a Supreme cards giveaway and a Supreme tee giveaway. You definitely don't want to miss out, and once I reach 20k, I'll give away a box logo tee, so make sure you subscribe because we're gonna go ahead and start that giveaway soon. Once I hit 20k, I'll pick a winner. That's how I'm gonna go ahead and do it for that one. But without any further ado, man, let's go ahead and get straight to it. So I'm not even about to waste nobody's time. I'm gonna go ahead and start from the top of the list with my favorite items that are dropping this week. We do have the SIG insulated bottle. This is like a 0.75 liters. This isn't that small. I feel like it has a pretty decent size to it. It's kind of like a coffee holder in a way. If you like drinking hot coffee, put that shit in here and it stays hot. This is probably the item that I'll be going for this week. Honestly, it's a banger. I honestly don't even care what color I get it in. I'm gonna try to go for the black colors simply because I feel like once I get my spot, that'll go with what I have way more. This item will have some resell. It all depends on how high or how low the retail price for it is. If it's around 38 to 48, I feel like resell will be around $80. Nothing more than that, but this is a fire piece to add to the collection. But next up, we do have a Jacob & Co collaboration piece, and it is this lock chain or lock pendant. This one's fire, bro. Low-key, if it's under $600, maybe like $5 or so, I might try to go for this item. This reminds me of the Louis V lock that people throw on a chain. I am a fan of this, and I feel like it's clean. It's 14 karat gold, so it's actual gold. I might end up going for this item. It all depends on how high the retail is. I honestly don't know if this will have any type of resale, considering that it's really expensive off the gate. Honestly, I really wish it was silver because I love silver chains, but I might end up going for this piece right here, but I'm debating on it. Next up, we have the Mohair Beanie and we have the cardigan. Low-key, some of my favorite colors for the beanie definitely have to be the cream, the gray. Tiger camo almost brings me back to like 2015 Supreme. This is an okay item. I feel like this will keep you hot in the winter. The cardigan, honestly, I'm gonna pass on. I feel like the tiger stripe camo one is alright for those people who wear like chucks with like some khaki trousers, and then that works for you, but for me, this is not my cup of tea. The beanie has some potential in certain colorways like the cream and that camo color, but we do have the Jacob & Co watch. This one's gonna retail at $14,000, bro. This does have diamonds on the bezel, so you already know it's real shit right here. This is actually fire, bro. It reminds me of rappers back in 08, 07. They used to be wearing this shit, and low-key ASAP Rocky's tried to bring it back, but didn't fully bring it back. These are clean though. Honestly, I would go for the black color just to keep it a little subtle, but when it comes to this watch, people will normally go for the red one because of the inside of the face. It has like these different colors, and that's what people fuck with, but you do have different time zones on there. This is a banger watch. I just wish I could afford it. Low-key, one day I'm buying a Rollie. It has to come my way, and I'm talking about it now. This video I will play back. If I remember what video this is, I'm gonna play this clip and I'm gonna be like, yo, I finally fucking did it. I'm buying myself a Rolex one day, but this is the Jacob & Co $14,000 watch. There is also another variation which is $12,000, and that's the 40mm face. That one is way smaller than the 47. It's almost like the size of the man's Apple Watch, the bigger one. We got the small box logo crew neck, which I feel like it's another banger. I typically don't end up going for these crew necks. I don't know why, but they are fire nonetheless. You got this camo color which is clean. The cream is fire. The black one, the forest green. I feel like resale when it comes to these isn't really that much. If you like this item and you like the more subtle side of Supreme, this is something that you might end up digging. We have this King hooded varsity jacket. This is one that I feel like if it didn't have the hood, I would low-key go for it in the black color, but the fact that it does have a hood low-key kills it for me. It just makes it weak, bro. This shit is ass with the hood. If it didn't have the hood, this would be a banger item, and I feel like retail for this bitch is gonna be high than titty milk, bro. Higher than prices at the grocery store right now. Low-key, it's a cool design and all, but that hood just destroys it for me. It does have a King 20 on the back and God We Trust around the side. Supreme on the front. It's a clean jacket. It's just that hood that just looks ridiculous, bro. Like, this looked like a thrift store jacket with the hood on. We do got this big stitch hooded sweater. This one isn't bad. The color that I like just looks like too much, bro. I love the black color, but I wish that it didn't have the extra stitching everywhere else. If it just had that multicolor stitch on the front and not all over the hoodie, it would be a banger, but I don't know how I feel about it, to be honest. I feel like retail is gonna be like 158, 168, and resale is gonna be like 200, if that, in some colors. Definitely the cream one or that olive color will do the best. Even the black one. Some people love that shit. I don't, but it is what it is. We got this bobsled long sleeve shirt. This one, I don't know how to feel about. It's like this sled and these two dudes or three dudes in a tight ass, like car looking ass. There's a Supreme branding across the bottom of it, and retail for this one's gonna be like $78, $88. I feel like it is steep, and I don't know how resale would be on a piece like this. They typically don't end up doing good on the market, so I wouldn't really go for this if you're trying to make money this week. But I do want to say that if you guys are interested in boosting your chances at these drops, you should go ahead and check out Addict.io. They are going to be restocking soon, if I'm not mistaken, and they do cover 85 plus stores, from Supreme, Bape, Undefeated, Kith, and a bunch more. Even Yeezy Supply is on there now. You should go ahead and check their website, see what they have to offer. If you are interested in when they restock, all you have to do is click the link in the description and sign up for their newsletter. That way, whenever they do restock, you are alerted and you are able to buy the bot. Once they do restock, I do have a promo code, which is Astro, for 10% off. And if you can't afford it all in one payment, you can also split it into 4 payments using Resell. I do recommend that you still go manual. You do run Addict on the side to boost your chances at these weekly drops. They do typically cook up for people, obviously not every week, because not every bot does that, but this is a great way to go ahead and boost your chances and honestly just have a way better shot at buying some of these items that are hard to get. But if you are interested, make sure you click the link in the description, sign up for their newsletter, and check them out, bro. You never know, you might end up liking it. Let's go ahead and talk about the rest of this drop list, then we'll get straight up out the building. We got this pigment print script 6-panel. This one is a banger in that camo colorway. I don't even know if it's camo. It's almost like this, I don't even know. It's just fire. This like overwashed denim color is fire, bro. With like that cream, that red, that tree design is a vibe. Low-key, I might end up going for this. If I decide not to get the chain, I'll end up going for this hat, and I'll end up going for that insulated bottle. But I don't know if this hat will have any type of resale. If it does, it definitely will be that multicolor one. We got the oval short sleeve, which is low-key kind of dookie. I'm good on this piece right here. It's literally an oval design with Supreme inside of it. This is the most simple shit in the world. Low-key not a vibe. We got this leather collar work jacket, which is another ass piece. I don't know, bro. It's just not my cup of tea. That floral one can be rocked by some people, but definitely not by me. These warm-up pants, they do every single season, and low-key, they always hit it out the park with these. I feel like these are one of the traditional Supreme items that always drops, much like the small box crew necks that you can always pick up, and it's always a fire item. But I don't know if I'm trying to spend that much on some warm-up pants this week. 148 or 158, I'm good on that, to be honest. But the tan or the navy are definitely banger colors in these pair of pants. We got this shorter arc short sleeve top. Basically has this cursive Supreme logo around the chest right there. This cursive logo Supreme right there around the chest. This is okay. You got that Hornets color. Then you got like this yellow limey color with some red on it. Not a fan of this piece. I feel like this is something on the more subtle side once again. Something a little bit more different if you're into it, but for me, it's just not my cup of tea, low-key. Slight bars for you. We got this Blocks camp cap, which is straight ass. Like, I'm good on this one. If you're gonna go for it, please don't do that multicolor. That shit is just cheeks. You do got the pinup chinos, which are the same as the leather collar jacket. I'm gonna probably just pop it up with that. Same shit, same floral pattern. Dookie to me. We do got this big stitch sweatpant. This is the same shit as the other one. Once again, I do like the sweatpants a little bit more. I just wish that the stitching on the side of the pants was tonal. It was just all, if it was just all black and it had the Supreme and multicolors, this would do numbers, but I feel like the fact that it has so much going on, it's just gonna cancel whatever hope it has. I'm not even gonna lie. Low-key, we got a couple more items to cover, like this classic logo, reversible six. How the hell is it reversible? How does that even work? That's low-key kind of fire. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I don't know exactly how it works, but I'm assuming you just flip it inside out, and then the other side of the brim has a different color. I don't know exactly how this works, but that's actually pretty sick. One of the sides is like a fleece material, and then the other one is like a canvasy regular hat material. This is actually sick. I don't know how Resell will do for this, but low-key this is like a 2-in-1 hat, so it's probably a good one to go for. We do have this chains rayon shirt, which typically I'm like, hell nah, but this doesn't look that bad, and low-key is paying homage to an old Supreme piece that came out, and it is like the wire cutters, like the hedge cutters. I don't know if you guys remember that, but this isn't that bad of a piece. Low-key gives me like Versace vibes. But we got one more item to cover, and it is this world peace beanie. I feel like this was supposed to release last week if I'm not mistaken. You got like this circle patch, and it says world peace on the top, Supreme on the bottom, and it has like this actually pretty cool design on the inside. It's almost like a yin yang. Then it has like a floral pattern. This isn't all that bad if I'm being honest. I am a fan of like that plummy reddish rust pinkish color. That olive green one is a banger, and I do like that blue. But that pretty much does it for this video. If you guys did enjoy, man, slap a fat like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click on post notification bell so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. And don't forget to click the Gleam link at the top of the description if you want to enter in a Supreme cards and a Supreme tee giveaway. Do not forget to subscribe because I am going to be doing a box logo giveaway soon. I'm going to pick a winner at 20,000 subscribers. That pretty much does it, bro. I'm going to catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.